Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. It's for you. Are you feeling bored? I have a very good plan to remove it. But before that, please subscribe our channel and click on notification button to make your life happy and easier. And every single video you can watch. Guys, nowadays I know a big challenge is to go to a gym. You don't have to go to gym or you don't need to purchase any equipment for your home. You can easily kill your fat doing these easy steps. You can kill your fat with these easy steps at your home. It's very easy to practice or doing the same at your home. For beginner, you can do this exercise for 2 to 4 times in a day. For intermediates, you can do this 4 to 8 times in a day. For advanced, you can do it 8 to 12 times in a day. Not only at your home, even you can do this 6 exercise on your bed too. These all exercises are making you healthy at home. Fat is something which not only impact your body as well as it's impacting your health too. If you continue this all exercise regularly, you can easily reduce your fat within a month. The best part is you no need to go to outside of your home or no need to go to gym, even no need to require or purchase any of the equipment from gym. You can do all those exercise at your home very easily without any equipment of gym. This is something which can help you to pass your time as well as making you fit and fine. Walking is the most important exercise in the world. It's helping you to burn huge calorie from your body. If you walk at least 1 hour a day, it can help you to burn huge calorie from your body. If you do workout every day, it will help you to stay safe and fit. And not only this, it will give you freshness in your body along with huge energy you can feel if you do workout every day. Most importantly, in this situation with COVID-19, we must do all those exercise at your home, which can help us to immunate our body or help us to fight with COVID-19. It can boost your energy along with immunity. Nowadays, we are very much occupied with system, computer or mobile phone. So we need to do some exercise for our vision or improving our vision. Look into darkness for 3 to 5 minutes. Look up and down 5 times. Look side to side 5 times. Look diagonally both ways. Look clockwise and counterclockwise at least for 5 times. Finally, look into darkness again for 3 to 5 minutes. Now I am showing you 8 easy steps for reducing your stress. First, exercise. Number 2, take a hot shower or bath. Number 3, do deep breathing. Number 4, eat well. Number 5, meditate. Number 6, make time for your hobbies. Number 7, talk to your loved one. And the number 8, go easy on yourself. You can prevent your obesity by following daily diet chart. Like, you can eat more foods rich in fiber. You must eat more vegetables. You can get your protein from fish, chicken or eggs. Do your snacks with some nuts. And the most important thing, you must have to lead up with calcium. Nowadays, vitamin C is the most important thing which can help us to immune our support system. You can get huge vitamin C from pineapple, tomatoes, capsicum, watermelon, strawberry and broccoli too. Now I am telling you to prepare a flu fighting natural tea. You have to take 3 cups of water, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 cinnamon sticks, 3 slices of fresh ginger, 1/4 teaspoon cloves, half tablespoon turmeric, 1.5 tablespoon raw honey, and 1 pinch lal mirch. Now I'm telling you 4 ways to bring down your blood pressure. You need to drink some coffee, you need to cut back salt on your food, add some fruits or vegetable to every snacks or meals. Try to eat more nuts while your snacks time. If you want to boost up your immunity first, you can prepare a fruit shake like adding beetroot, apple and lemon. It can help you to suit your immunity. And also you can prepare one more like adding carrot with lemon and ginger. It's help you to boost your immunity very soon. Also you can add some turmeric. Banana is the most important fruit. You can eat it every day. It has lots of benefits like it helps us to reduce depressions, it reduces blood pressures, it helps to prevent anemia, it provides us huge energy, etc. One more good and easily available things is cucumber. You must have it daily. It helps to reduce cholesterol, relieves joint pains, dissolve kidney and bladder stones, fight constipation, fight with cancer. It helps us in weight loss. Even it helps to regulate blood pressure and headache. Also kills bad breath and it has full of water. Now I am talking about most favorite drinks, Dalgona coffee. To prepare it required 2 tablespoon coffee, 2 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoon hot water and 1 cup of milk. Whisk coffee, sugar and hot water until creamy. It has huge benefit. It can help you to boost your immunity. You can take cold shower. It also gives you lots of benefits like boost feel good hormones. It stimulates metabolism. It's boost brain power. It's help you to improve recovery. It strength immune system, etc. It's help you a lot. Now I'm telling you a simple rules if you want to stay or live healthy. You have to consume more water and less soda. You have to consume more tea and less alcohol. You have to take more fruits, less sugar. You have to take more vegetable, less meats. You have to work more and drive less. You have to sleep more and less worry. You have to less anger and more laughter. And the foremost thing, less words, more action. As you all know, to prevent COVID-19, we have to stay at home, wash your hand frequently, use cards, not cash, avoid social distancing or meeting, cup to your arms, etc. Please follow this to avoid COVID-19. And now, lastly, I'm telling you 10 ways to feel and stay happy. First, change your perspective. Second, don't compare yourself to others. Third, savor the little things. Fourth, focus on the moment. Fifth, get rid wish list. Sixth, be thankful for what you have. And the most important, stop complaining. Stop expecting so much from others. Remember, people are more important than things. Eliminate your excuse. This is how you can feel happy. These are the basics way to maintain a happy life. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel if you like my videos. It gives me a motivation to create more videos for you.